Rotation by 180 degrees. So just to recap, rotation is a type of transformation that refers to the shape turning around a fixed point. This fixed point is known as the center of rotation. Now, notice that we're doing this by 180 degrees only in this video. Example 1. Triangle XYZ has the following vertices. So we have X, which is 2, 4, Y, which is 4, -1, and Z, which is 5 and 4. First, we're going to draw the triangle. Then, if the triangle XYZ is rotated 180 degrees, so that's counterclockwise around the center, we're going to draw the new coordinates of the vertices of the triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime. So let's first go ahead and draw these points and then connect them. So X is 2, 4. So that means we're going to the right on the X, right 2, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where we end up, and that's our X. Now our Y, which is 4 and -1. So we go over 4, 2, 3, 4, down 1. Now we have our Y, and then our Z, which is 5, 4. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I'll just draw this in on red. So here's our triangle. Now we're going to rotate it counterclockwise 180 degrees. So that means we're going to kind of end up somewhere in this coordinate system. But, right, it's not completely all in that one coordinate system, but it's mostly in this, going to be in this coordinate. Because if we go, right, this would be the first, this would be the 90 degrees, this is the 180, and then if we went 270, it would end up mostly in this area. But how we do this, so if we rotate 180 degrees counterclockwise, we have X. So we have X, which is 2, 4. Y, which is 4 and -1. And Z, which is 5 and 4. Now, if we rotate, all we're going to do, and this is the really fun part, is we're going to go X prime, and then we're just going to change, if this is positive, we change it to negative. So all we do is just change everything from to the opposite sign. So this is 4, -1, so now this is -4 and 1. Then for Z prime, we get -5, -4. So let's go ahead and draw these points. So -2, -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our X. Now our Y, which is -4, and then 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. Now we have our Z prime. This is our X prime, and then Z prime. Now we have our Y prime. That's not Z. Now we can go ahead and graph our Z prime. So that's -5 and -4. So we go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our Z prime. We can go ahead and fill it in. And so that's what it would look like if we went ahead and rotated 180 degrees. So these are the coordinates. So let's do another example. So example 2, triangle XYZ has the following vertices. So we have 1, 2, Y is then 5, 2, and Z is 3, 5. First, we're going to draw the triangle. Then, if the triangle is rotated -180 degrees, so clockwise around the center, draw the new coordinates of the vertices. So let's go ahead and do this. So we have X, 1, 2, Y, which is going to be 5, 2, Z is 3 and 5. So X is 1, 2, so let's go over 1, up 2. There's our X. Y, which is 5, 2, so we're going to go over 5, 5, and then up 2. and then z, which is 3, 5. So let's go over 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and that's z. Let's go ahead and just complete the triangle. Now, notice when we rotate 180 degrees, it actually really doesn't matter if we rotate positive or negative, because this is when 180 degrees either way will get us actually to the same location. So this is kind of nice. But if we were to go clockwise, right, we're going to be rotating this way, all the way into, once again, the third quadrant. So we're going back into that quadrant, but we're going that way. So let's go ahead and get our coordinates for this new triangle. So if x is 1, 2, x prime then just becomes -1 and -2. Y prime becomes -5 and -2. And z prime becomes -3 and -5. So all we did was change the signs of the old points, like all these numbers are positives, and then we made them all negative here because we rotated 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and plot these. So if we have x prime, which is -1 and -2, so we go over 1 down 2. Y is -5 and then -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, I lost my spot, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 2. And then z prime is -3 and then -5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is z prime, this is x prime, this is y prime. So you can see how it looks when we rotate it -180 degrees, and that's our new coordinates is right here.